Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a moving repeater on scroll in Wix Studio, and how to control its movement and effects for a smooth, professional layout. Let's get started. First, open your Wix Studio project and go to the page where you want to build this section. Now, click on your section. Once selected, adjust the section height by dragging the bottom edge downward. This gives you enough space to properly see the scrolling effect later. Next, go to the left side Add Elements panel. Add a text element into your section. Place it at the top or wherever your layout starts, then double-click to edit it and add a sample heading. Now, go back to the Add panel and insert a repeater. Choose a simple repeater layout and drag it into your section under your text. Click inside the repeater items and customize them. Replace the placeholder content with sample images and text so each item is clearly visible and distinct. At this point, we move into Layout Control. Click on the repeater, then go to the right side Properties panel. Adjust spacing between items, alignment, and margins. These settings help define how the repeater is structured visually. Now let's add the scroll movement effect. With the repeater selected, go to the Animation or Effects section in the right panel. Look for scroll-based effects or scroll animation settings. Click on Scroll or On-Scroll options. Here, adjust the movement settings. You can control direction, speed, and intensity depending on the effect you want. As you change these values, you'll see how the repeater responds to scrolling behavior. Once you've adjusted the scroll movement, click Preview at the top right. Now scroll through your page and observe how the repeater moves. If it feels too fast, too slow, or misaligned, go back and fine-tune the scroll settings or spacing until it feels smooth and balanced. When everything looks good, save your work and publish your site. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, make sure to practice with different layouts and experiment with the scroll settings to get more advanced effects. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Wix Studio and web design tutorials.